If Poe feels slow, unresponsive, or quote unquote not working properly, most of the time it's not broken. It's a settings, bot, or usage issue. This guide, I will show you the most common Poe problems, why they happen, and how to fix them fast. No guessing, no reinstall panic. Now, Poe feels slow or lagging. That's issue number one. Why it happens? It happens because maybe heavy traffic, using a large model, long chat history, or weak internet connection. To fix that, start a new chat, switch to a lighter bot, right? Refresh the page or app. Avoid very long prompts in one message. Pro tip, speed improves instantly with a fresh chat. Issue number two, bot stops responding mid-chat. Why? The bot stops responding mid-chat because requested timed out, prompt are too long, temporary server delay. To fix that, click regenerate, right? Shorten your prompt. So for example, if you wrote like a long prompt, you could just say, just cut it short. We agree with that. Let's go with the final decision is we'll move forward with that, whatever the topic is. Okay, and split requests into parts. So we agreed that we're gonna buy this. Type generate or forward here to generate, and just go follow up with that. Okay, and try another bot temporarily. If Poe Assistant didn't work, just try GPT 4o Mini or just go switch to ChatGPT. Issue number three, wrong or low quality answers. Why? This happens because you're using the wrong bot for the task. Vague prompt, chat context got messy. To fix that, reset the chat, be specific, choose the correct bot. We will cover that next. Give clear instructions in one message. Issue number four, app or web version not loading. To fix the checklist, right? Clear cache on your browser. Click the three bars here at the top right. Go to history, right? Excuse me, not history. Just go ahead and just delete browsing data. And if you want to double down, make sure just go ahead to the history, right? And what you're gonna do, just click browsing data and select the time frame, right? All the time, lasts for weeks. If you have big chunk of data, then you need to delete at all times. Cookies and other side data, cached images and files. You just go ahead and delete. You can also switch to advanced, right? To maybe delete Leo AI, other stuff, or on exit, you could delete the cookies and other side data. If you have more than that, cached images and files, just hit the check mark and save. All right. So Poe issues are usually traffic related, prompt related, bot selection related. Not permanent, and not serious at the same time. So don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.